In this video, let me show you one of the coolest features in BYD cars, the vehicle to load system. So basically, at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen of your BYD infotainment system. Then let's find and select the gear icon to open the settings. From settings, you can use the left tab and select here energy, as you can see here. Then select here the charging and discharging, the second tab, and here you can find the vehicle to load, as you can see right here. So this allows the car to output the electricity to power external devices like coffee machine, laptop, or even a camping gear using a special adapter. As you can see here, you can just tap the vehicle to load and you can enable this feature just by using this switcher. What else? You can also use here the second option, which is start the engine to generate electricity when the battery is too low. So if your battery runs low while using this vehicle to load system, the gas engine will automatically kick in to act as generator, so the power doesn't cut off. So you can enable this feature right here. And you may also set up the remaining duration of single discharge. So this is a timer that lets you set exactly how long you want the power output to stay active. So you can tap here the vehicle to load and choose settings. And as you can see here, you can customize it by using this switcher. If you would like to disable, let's just use those switcher right here. So I think that's it for this video. You can use this vehicle to load in your BYD. Let's check out if you have this feature enabled. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.